Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols like.
Hi everyone, my name is Donna and welcome back to my channel, No Mirror Needed, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everyone is starting out their holiday safe and healthy, and we have a really blessed new year. So it's actually Christmas Eve today, and I thought I would share with you my Italian antipasta platter. This is something my family has been doing literally for years, and I thought that, now's the time I can, share it with you since I am doing like a complete spread for Christmas Eve today. This is going to be probably the last video of this year that I am going to upload. Hopefully I can get it up for you guys this year. If not, it'll be the first week in January. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get alerts every time I make a brand new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your views. You have no idea how appreciative I am, and let's just dive into everything. Everything looks so amazing. So I'm Italian. I'm Napoletana and Calabrese, and my family has this tradition like a lot of other families, and we do a huge cold antipasta spread every year for Christmas Eve. So I wanted to share with you a really easy and affordable Italian platter that you can put together yourself. Maybe you're not sure exactly what products or ingredients that you should choose at the supermarket, or if you're at the Italian delicatessen. So I thought I would just make a really easy spread for you that you can follow. Everything is really interchangeable. If there's something that you don't like here that you want to change out, you could really customize this anyway. Now, usually I would do like a chartreuse platter or a cheese board, but this is actually being transported with me and it's not staying here in my house. So I need to travel with it, so this is why I'm doing it this way. But you could really do a platter any style or any way that you choose. So all the ingredients here are really super simple, and you can pick them up at any local Italian delicatessen, or even your local supermarket would pretty much have a lot of these ingredients. So us Italians love to eat on Christmas. It's our biggest holiday, so you could definitely understand that we're gonna have a lot of food, and this is the start of it. So let me just show you exactly some of the items that I picked out here. We have different types of olives. We have some black ripe olives, we have some pimento olives, we also have some stuffed olives. Then we have some marinated items. We have some marinated mushrooms. This is literally my favorite of all of this. I can eat like both these jars myself. I love marinated mushrooms. We also have some roasted peppers. We're gonna do some seafood salad like I mentioned. We have some marinated mozzarella. We're gonna do some marinated artichoke heart. And for meats, we're gonna be doing a heart salami. You can pick up any salami, you could do pepperoni, you could do whatever you want. We're also going to be doing a hard sopressade. This is amazing, delicious if you love the salami or the meats. We're going to be also doing some sliced mortadella, which is like an olive loaf. For cheese, we have some sharp provolone right here. We're going to do some white sharp cheddar and some yellow sharp cheddar. So those are the cheeses we picked up. So as far as bread goes, I already mentioned we're going to do a prosciutto bread, which is a bread with like ham and meat baked into the bread. It is amazing. We're gonna do some semolina Italian bread and regular Italian bread as well. So we're just gonna start cutting all this up and arranging it on the platters. These platters I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I talked about them in one of my previous videos, but really super affordable. They're literally $1 each, and I love the clear acrylic. I feel like it makes the food just pop and stand out, but you can use any platters that you have. And I chose these because, like I said, we're going to be transporting this, and it needs to just be really super easy to carry. And once we're done, it's one and done, and I can literally throw it away.
In the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
So guys, I'm completely done laying out the entire spread, and this food just absolutely looks so amazing. So just to go over everything again, we have our seafood salad, and that's just a mixture of calamari, shrimp, marinated, and it is so delicious if you love seafood. Then on this platter right over here, we have the marinated mozzarella, we have the cheddar cheese, we have some mortadella, and we have the sliced salami. That's a hard salami with some stuffed olive. Then over here we have some pimento olives. In this tray right here, we have those jumbo ripe black olives, we have the hard soppressata, we have the sharp cheddar and the sharp provolone with some more marinated mozzarella. And then on this long platter in the back right here, we have the marinated mushrooms, the roasted red peppers, and the marinated artichokes. And everything again looks just so delicious. And like I said, you can do the spread for any holiday, any special occasion, especially now since we're all staying in. We're not celebrating or having a very big Christmas Eve. So this should be enough for everyone. And like I said, I do have to transport it, so that's why I laid it out like this. It's gonna be easy to handle, but it's such a delicious and easy antipasto platter to do. It's affordable. And in case you weren't sure how you wanted to maybe start your own Italian platter or exactly what ingredients you should buy, hopefully this will answer some of your questions and give you some tips and tricks on some of the ingredients that we use for our Italian feast. So I have my sangria, that is coming with me, and I already started drinking my wine. So I hope everyone enjoys their holiday. Have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and a safe and healthy holiday to everyone. Please, again, leave a comment below. Please like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get alerts every time I make a new video. And for now, I'll see you guys next year. Bye.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me.